everyone, this is Rakshita. It's been long that I haven't uploaded any video on YouTube. Today is going to be a random video, random vlog. So I hope you will like it. I'm like going down. I have my room key because otherwise I'll get locked, which nobody wants it. So, hi. So I'm done with my lunch and I'm just going to show you the campus. So it goes like, so this road goes to my campus and to my, like, not campus, my college building, and this is how it looks like. This is the ground, what it basically looks like. It's the cricket and football. So this is the pool, but it's under construction, and this is a little sitting area over there. This is kinda, so this is the sitting area, and here's also a sitting area. I'm just gonna see the proper view. That's the building of my college, and the pool is under construction, and this is the sitting area. Okay, so let's come back to me now. Everything is pretty much closed because of the Christmas holidays, and I think it will open probably in the month of Jan, like 3rd or 4th Jan. And at that time I could like really show you where do I study and what all games we have in our college building, everything. And also today I wanted to go to the library, but it's closed again. So I'm feeling really sad that I couldn't show you everything, but I'm trying my best to show you like whatever is possible for me right now. That's why I'm showing you the, oh my god, I'm using the word showing really okay. So it's because that I am shooting a YouTube video like see, it's probably because I'm shooting a YouTube video which has been a really long time, and like shooting and facing the camera after a really long time. See, I'm repeating my words again and again, but okay, so now I'm sitting in the pool area. It's very quiet, it's nice to study, to sit and think and overthink and make your brain just burst out while overthinking. It's bad, guys, don't overthink. And then like now, one thing, I have to go and pick up my laundry. So why don't you guys come with me? Like, I mean, you have to. Okay, so let's go to the laundry and pick my clothes and go to the room. Oh my god, I'm proceeding towards the hostel. See my laundry bag. Ah, your clothes you got washed. Good for you. Ah, I'm so drama. I'm going towards the hostel. That building is my hostel. This is the boys' hostel. And you can see how beautiful the sitting area is. So the blue color thing, that is one mess. The people who are going there, that is another. So basically for the dinner, I'm taking the tiffins. So just to get the homemade food. And the breakfast and lunch I do it in the campus, in the college canteen or the mess. So now everybody is going to get their tiffins. As you can see the bike over there, the uncle and his wife, so they both get us tiffin, mostly everyone in the hostel. So I got my dabbas, and now I'm going to the hostel. This is how the campus looks in the night. So I got my tiffin and I'm going to eat peacefully. Now I'm going towards my room. See that door which is open? That's my room. And the bus. And I'm going. and I'm in. Bye bye. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.